overall spectacular home and layout. Hi, I'm Adam Hopkins of the Hopkins Group. I'm with Renee Smith, and we are going to check out Toll Borthser today. They're a semi-custom home builder. Okay, so let's take a look at the next Vistamar property. And this is the largest of the ones that we have left to look at. Yeah, so let's go take a look. It's gonna be awesome.
Spacious house.
Let's go.
Depending on which exterior you pick, it ranges from $509 to $529.
It's crazy cheap for for what they offer. 3,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3-car garage. Yeah, let's check. Oh wow, this just has a dramatic entry. The high ceilings, the formal dining room, beautiful stairway up, open floor plan that is really impressive.
Kitchen is a dream.
Isn't it gorgeous? I'm gonna drag my wife and my family over here and we'll be neighbors.
This is such a beautiful kitchen. So we've seen 2 light colored cabinets and now we've seen 2 darker colored cabinets. This house has a dramatic feel. That other one had a dramatic feel, but they've just done this one, in my opinion, just so much better. The styling of the cabinetry, the crown molding on the cabinetry.
Just the little details and the commitment to quality that is just astounding here.
There is.
Oh, this is awesome. I have a big family, so having an extra fridge,
Kitchen.
basically, yeah, kitchen. I mean, look, you have another sink.
It's a sink, a
Dishwasher.
and kitchen.
This is
nice
a whole other
because
kitchen.
This is inspired because, this is a house that has 5 bedrooms, so it's definitely something.
It's fit for a family like myself. I have 6
Exactly.
kids,
And you
2 grandkids.
You have the kitchen that everybody's going to use, but you have this mini kitchen with a microwave, everything that you would need in a basic kitchen, but you also have it going directly outside to the pool, to the living space. So if you've got kids that need to get something or want something to eat, you don't have them traipsing through the entire house.
This is awesome, and so much cabinet space too.
It's great for those extended family holidays, cooking Thanksgiving, or big
Not only that, but
dinners.
you can bring all the dishes into here. It doesn't, and it's out of the way so that you don't have to, maybe you're not doing the dishes right away.
Absolutely.
And it's something with the dishwasher sitting right here you can get to later, and it's not.
This is unique where you have a kitchen attached to a kitchen. It's
Yeah.
really cool. It's
really-
a unique design feature, but it's very
Definitely gets 2 thumbs up.
absolutely. I mean, that's.
So one of the things that is new to Toll Brothers that I'm super excited about is that now you can have your pool built at the same time as your home, and that pool cost incorporated into your loan. It's nice to have it done right when you walk in the house. The pool's done, the backyard's done, and to have it incorporated into your loan is huge. I just love that they also always incorporate water features into it, so we have a nice pleasant sound.
It definitely creates
Drowning out the city noises that we can get here in Vegas.
tranquil peace.
Yeah.
This house reminds me of a very modern touch on the Brady Bunch.
This is a huge loft area, very dramatic coming up. all the rooms kind of hub off of here. You like it?
I really like it.
She's crying, so you know she likes it. So you got your shared bathroom, your laundry room's upstairs, which is great when you have a 2-story home. You don't want to drag your stuff down, have to wash it. And the other model had it downstairs, didn't it? That was a drawback in my opinion.
Yes, and I've lived in both, you know, with 2 stories with upstairs, downstairs. My preference overall is if my bedrooms are upstairs, I want my washing machines and dryers to be upstairs.
So we're gonna go into the master, which is our 5th bedroom. Now this is what my wife is gonna like about a house. She wants to have a great shower, but she also needs to have the great soaker tub that we have in this. And it's center pieced right in the middle.
It's a showcase.
It is. Oh my gosh. This is an area where it could use a little improvement. And that is too small of a closet for me.
And the other closet is not a whole lot bigger. A little bit, but not a whole lot. Definitely could have brought that shower down a little bit and made those closets a little bit bigger.
Yeah, so in this model, the closet space could be
Could
be a little bit better. Is that they have the experts to be able to help you find what fits for you. They don't just have you go down to the design team. They're gonna call you first and they're gonna find out what kind of style is your style.
what your
Do you like
colors do you
contemporary?
like?
Do you like
Retro, do you like modern? Do you like simplistic? Do you like,
Right.
creams and browns, grays and neutrals?
And then they put together a whole proposal that fits your desire and your style. It's that custom treatment that you don't normally get.
It's that concierge service. It's not just, thank you for signing the contract, see you when it's done.
So having looked at all 4 of the decorated models that they have here in Inspirada, Toll Brothers, they definitely do a great job providing a spectacular living experience on a budget. Now, why would you want to call an agent such as myself? Because we are an extra service to help you get the home that you want. At the end of the day, the people who you meet with in the sales offices, they represent the seller, the builder. We represent you. So that gives you an added level of protection and security, knowing that your interests are being met and taken care of. And the best part is it costs you nothing. You don't get any special incentives to come and be unrepresented. And the builders actually want us. 80% of what Toll Brothers sells is represented by an agent, and they work very well. We have a good relationship with the sales managers. Give us a call. We'll be happy anytime, and we will make this simple, easy for you. Get you your dream home with all the features and benefits you're looking for. So reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you anytime. I'm Adam Hopkins.
I'm Renee Smith.
and we're the Hopkins Group.
If you like this video, take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the little bell so you can be updated on any new videos that we have coming out. And take a second to post below and let me know what you like best about this home. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.